Hello! In front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark III. In this video I'll show you how to remove and enable Smart Side Sense. As you can see, this function is now enabled. In order to disable it, go to Settings, System, Gestures, Side Sense, and switch this button. Now Side Sense is disabled. To enable it again, go to Settings, System, Gestures, Side Sense, and switch this button on. From this menu below, you can customize this feature. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.